Happy New Year! I'm Melissa Ashley, President and CEO of Corporate One Federal Credit Union. As we begin 2024, we stand on the cusp of a transformative evolution in payments. The financial industry is undergoing rapid change, moving from faster to immediate payments and 24/7, 365 real-time transactions. With 2 new immediate payment rails now live in the U.S., we as credit unions need to embrace this change for the benefit of our members and the sustainability of our institutions and movement. Immediate payments on the clearinghouse's RTP network and the Federal Reserve's FedNow service are unlike our legacy payment methods. They offer instant settlement and utilize the global ISO 20022 messaging format with core-to-core connections that finalize and confirm each transaction within seconds. Immediate payments are not merely faster ACH, and they are not Zelle, Venmo, or PayPal. However, make no mistake, Zelle, Venmo, PayPal, and other digital payment experiences are fueling the change in payments by offering real-time and instant transactions. And in several instances, these digital payment experiences are leveraging the new payment rails to connect consumers and businesses directly to their financial institutions that offer them the opportunity to receive their money instantly. But that means your credit union needs to be a participant on the new rails. Is your credit union on that list? The vast majority of credit unions are not, but we can change that, and let me tell you why this is important. There are several reasons credit unions need to see immediate payments for the strategic imperative they are. Data indicates more than 40% of consumers and businesses alike include access to immediate payments in their decision when choosing a financial institution. Immediate access to funds, improved cash flow, and better experiences lead the appeal of these new payments. As a result, usage is growing tremendously. The RTP network, which launched in 2017, has witnessed remarkable growth, averaging at least 10% increase in transaction volume every quarter since 2018, surpassing 60 million transactions in the most recent quarter. The RTP network reaches nearly 70% of demand deposit accounts in the U.S. at more than 400 financial institutions, including all the large money center banks. Further, since its launch in July, more than 330 financial institutions have become participants on the FedNow service, which is a tremendous adoption rate. And while we don't have transaction volume yet for FedNow, we can be sure that as the network matures, it too will see a similar growth trajectory. In the competitive battle for deposits, immediate payments offers us a strategic edge. We all see the competition for members intensifying, and consumer preferences are driving this change. This shift in payment preferences could substantially impact membership and revenue generation. With consumer and business expectations rapidly evolving, initiating immediate payments now is crucial for meeting member demands effectively. This is why Corporate One has invested resources to develop several solutions for both the RTP network and the FedNow service, including an open connection to both rails. In fact, by the end of 2023, 20% of credit unions on RTP were connected through Corporate One. Real-time and instant payments are not just for the big banks, and we have the solutions to help your credit union take advantage of them. If you would like to hear directly from a credit union who's connecting using Corporate One and is also one of our FedNow service pilot credit unions, please join us for a webinar in January. You can register using the link in your email or at corporateone.coop/TPSP. Also in January, I'm looking forward to attending a roundtable meeting at the Federal Reserve Bank of Cleveland. As the Cleveland Fed is set to take over the administration of the FedNow service processing, this will be an exciting chance for me to represent our industry alongside the big banks and treasury departments of major corporations and share the cooperative voice. Thank you for watching, and I will have more of these CEO Insider conversations as the year progresses. As leaders in our industry, it's important that we stay in touch, and I look forward to sharing what I learn at the Fed, as well as other updates with you in the future. If you have any questions, want to learn more about immediate payments, or want to talk about your credit union's payment strategy, don't hesitate to reach out to me or your Corporate One member success executive. Immediate payments are not just a trend, they're a strategic necessity. By prioritizing these new payment rails, you'll not only meet the needs of your members, but also secure your position in the competitive financial landscape. Together, let's embrace this change, prioritize immediate payments, and secure the future of credit unions.